Hi guys, I have noticed for all of us locksmiths, including myself, that our only trouble with regards to the lock is familiarization. So here I had grouped the padlocks, and I will try and demonstrate to you the disassembly and reassembly method only. Okay, it's not the repair, because our only trouble here is only how to open and how to return it back, how to start and how to finish, where the keying is already very common to us locksmiths. So I grouped these locks here. There are 3 Medeco'S, Cisa and Almont, and so that you will not be seeing each lock in one video, so I'll group it into 5. So alright, let's start. Now in rekeying this Medeco 54, the series 54-51, is first you have the key and you have the 3mm Allen wrench. Alright, now in order to take this out, you have the key, the right key, you insert it, flip up the shackle, and then you can take out the key and you can insert the Allen wrench on that side here. There is an Allen screw on that side there. Insert it there, that is a 3mm. Turn it loose. Take out the cylinder, and the cylinder has 2 parts, right? And this is the holder and this is the core. Alright, now inside of those there are 2 ball bearings. Alright, so in order to remove that, you have to release, insert the shackle, so that, and then pop this down. Alright, now it's down, and you can see the 2 ball bearings from the inside there. Alright, okay, that's 1 and that's 2. Right, so to return it back, in order, because this ball bearing runs back and forth inside, so in order to put them on place, you have to dip it in a grease. Right, drop it down there, put it on one side with a little screwdriver. Okay, you settle down there now, and put another one, put some grease on it, drop it down and put it on the right side. Okay, now the ball bearing are already in place. Right, now you can insert this, and make sure that it goes to the place where it is being in the right position, and this little curve here will go to the opening of that right hand there. There is a slot that will goes in there. You drop it down, or you can use a tweezer. Right, so that position easily. Drop it down there, let it settle on that little thing. Alright, now it's settled down there. It goes further in, and that's the time you can insert back this cylinder and holder on this side, because that's where the Allen screw will goes in. Put it in. Now use the key, pull the shackle. Okay, now drop the Allen screw inside, and you can tighten it. After it is tightened, put back the shackle, and then that's it. Right? That is the assembly and reassembly this kind of padlock. Okay. Next. This is a Medeco Bulldog. Alright? On a Medeco Bulldog, all you need to do is only a key and a tweezer. Yeah. Okay, insert the key, turn it. Okay, now keep the shackle out and then turn this cover here 90 degrees. You see the slot there? Turn it 90 degrees, it will pops out. Alright, now that is the locking mechanism there. Pull it with the tweezer. See the orientation. Okay, now make sure there is an arrow. As you can see, there is an arrow that arrow goes in. Alright, now take out the cylinder. Alright, rekey it. Putting it back is very easy. It cannot go that way, right? So it goes this way only. Go that way. Now return back the shackle lock, and that arrow goes first in. Right? After that, return back the cover. After it, press it down. It's still protruding. Insert the key. Okay, now it's even. Insert the key. Turn this cover to the hole. Bring down the shackle. Pull out the key. And then that's it. The assembly and reassembly of this Bulldog Medeco. Okay. Next one is the interchangeable Medeco padlock, and this is very easy. All you have to do is you have the control. Take it out, and then that's it. If you want to open it, you can use the key. Alright, return it back. So because you want to take it out, okay, rekey it by using the control, removing it by the control, returning it back by the control. Okay, so there's nothing to mess around inside of that because that is already secured. That is it's trouble free. Right, next is the Cisa padlock. Now this is very common. What you need here, what material you need is its key and a thin plier and a 2.5 Allen wrench. Alright, now what you do, insert the key, turn it, pull the shackle out, insert the plier, pull the shackle fully, release the plier, take it out, use a tweezer, drop this down together with the spring, All right. Now pull the key, loosen the screw, Allen screw. This is a 2.5 millimeter screw, Allen wrench. Loosen the screw here. Okay, once it is loose, then pry this thing up. All right, now there are two anti-drilling bearing there. All right, so be careful with that. Put it on a safe place, and an armor plate for drilling also. Now position it on this manner here. All right, like this. Right, you position that in that manner, then pull out the cylinder. Okay, and then you want to rekey it, you turn it around. The pin will drop on that side, but make sure that you don't make a mistake. You put it back, and then again you push it inside, take the key out, and put the drill armor, and that time the mouth will be facing down. All right, now the armor plate, insert the two bearing. All right, first you have to insert it from the bottom. Okay, and push it down. Okay, after that tighten with the screw. All right, next return back the spring. Okay, use a tweezer to return back the locking mechanism. Okay, now use a little screwdriver and push that locking mechanism down. Now insert the shackle, going there, and then use the key to lock it. Pull out the key, and that's locked. Alright, now next one is the Almont. Alright, so in an Almont you need a key and a special tool. Right, so this key is not an ordinary one. This is the ordinary cut key, and to remove the core of this Almont, there should be a cut from the tip to bypass the element there that blocks it from turning 90 degrees. Okay, because with this one you cannot turn it 90 degrees, but with this you can turn it until this slot here will be 90 degrees from this side. Now in that case, insert this special tools here to block the top pin. Now make sure that it is well rested, and in order this part will not be wiggling around and will loosen all the top pins, and you will have a big trouble later on. What you do is lock it with a cellophane tape so that it will be in place. Right, after that you can pull out the core. Be sure not to. Okay, now that is the pins. Now let's put it aside. See, you rekey it. Now on this part there are also two bearings. The other one is locked by this material here, so I will show you one bearing. You see that? That is the bearing on the right side. The left side is being locked by this material, and this material also lock the top pin. So make sure that this doesn't move. If you move it that way, you have a problem. Alright? You have to start the hard way. Okay, now return back the bearing there and bring the shackle resting to the surface of this padlock. Alright, now after you rekeyed it, return it back, and this time, you see that slot there that will goes on this wire here. It goes through and through. Okay, now after it is inserted, bring the shackle down and take this part out. And after that, remove it and hold this so that it will not come out. Okay, and then turn that core back to its position. Now you can open it, and that's it. That is the assembly and reassembly of this padlocks. Okay, now again, the next video will be the assembly and reassembly of most mortise locks from Roswin, Sargent, Yale, and other kind of locks, which is of mortise type. Alright folks, so thanks for watching and good day. I hope this will make you familiarize with the padlock of this assembly and reassembly. Thanks for watching. Good day.